Friends, in this video we are going to discuss these doubts. E-stamp paper will work or not, date to put on affidavit, handwritten will work, notary registration rupees 50 or more will work, or where to upload the affidavit. So let's start the video. So friends, these are the doubts that students are facing during CCMT, I can say the affidavit process. So here you can see this is the format of affidavit. So you can find this format in annexure number 5 in information browser. So here what to just fill here. First of all, let's discuss that. And name of the candidate you have to fill, then you have to fill your registration number, and then father's name or mother's name, and then your address. And then I dash program. Okay, आपको कौन सा प्रोग्राम मिला and in which institute you currently allotted in third round, that you have to type here. Now I understand. Okay, here you can see that I understand that if I do not register and pay special round participation fees during dash, तो यहाँ पे क्या fill करना है? This is the major doubt of students. So you have to just type 4th August to 9th of August here, and some candidates have also typed this I can say blue colored whatever written here. So if you have already typed or made this affidavit, then no issue. Okay, otherwise if you are going to make this affidavit, then you just have to remove this line, otherwise there is no issue as such at all. Okay, now let's discuss the common doubts of students one by one. So here you can see the first doubt about the e-stamp paper. Okay, what about the e-stamp paper, that e-stamp paper will work or not? What about this? So let me give you that e-stamp paper will work. Okay, e-stamp paper will work, there is no issue in e-stamp paper. Okay, so here you can see e-stamp paper will work, so it will work. Now next is date of date to be put on affidavit, that we have discussed, that is 4th of August to 9th of August. Handwritten will work or not, that this information should be in typed form or handwritten. So both will work, whether it is handwritten or it is typed, no issue is there. Now next is notary registration. So you have to do the notary registration. So when you take a rupees 50 non-decision stamp paper, it is just written here, you can see it here. Okay, so rupees 50 or above paper will work, like 100 rupees पेपर विल वर्क, वो 200. सो ज़्यादा काम करेगा, बस कम नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी लेस देन 50 रुपीज़. ओके, सो नोटरी ड्यूली नोटराइज्ड. हियर यू कैन सी स्टैम्प पेपर ड्यूली नोटराइज्ड. नाउ नोटराइज्ड इज, नोटरी इज बेसिकली आई कैन से ए नॉन ऑफिशियल और ऑफिशियल ऑफिसर वट एवर इट इज़, बट वहीं पे आपको मिल जाएगा जो आपका वहाँ पे एक आई कैन से कचहरी बोलते हैं जिसको. सो वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे नोटरी मिल जाएंगे, उससे आप साइन करवा लो, एक स्टैंप लगा देगा, देन अटेस्ट कर देगा, देन इट विल वर्क. ओके, सो यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक द पेपर एंड देन नोटरी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल असाइन दैट, टेक ए स्टैंप ऑन दैट, एंड आफ्टर दैट you have to take a typing of this. Now you have to sign the deponent of required here. Okay, and after that where to upload? So this is the major doubt. So you have to upload this affidavit on CCMT website only. Okay, so keep doing login on CCMT website. It will take some time to come there as a option of upload affidavit. Okay, so wait, whenever this option come, I will upload you on YouTube also, that here only on the YouTube your PDA channel. Okay, so I hope friends this video is helpful for you. If any doubt regarding affidavit other than these doubts, then please mention in the comment section. We will help you or replies you as soon as possible. Thank you very much students. Keep supporting, keep liking and keep sharing the videos of your PD education, and also share the channel, or we can say subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.